this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird out of Play-Doh or clay. This is the only thing I have though. So you'll need something oval shaped like this, a round shape like this, two wing shapes like this, two of them though, two legs, and a tail. This is how I made my tail. So just to get the body and take the head and shape it like this so it'll stick onto the body. Stick it on there, make sure it stays like that. Now you get the wings, well, one of the wings, and you stick it to the side like that. To the side like that. I'm sure there's not really that much of a cracking in it. Now get the other wing and do exactly the same thing. See? Like that. Oh, I forgot to show you a beak. Little beak. No, the head fell off. Okay, make sure the head don't fall off and it's on really, really good. Then you stab the beak in. Okay, like that. And kind of pinch holes in the eyes so you can make the eyes. You don't need eyes, you can just make a hole for the eyes. Okay, so that's the body and the head. I know it's weird because all the different colors. Then you will get the legs that look like this. That's how I made them. And try to stick them on there really good so they don't fall off. I love my cats. Like that. And then do the other one the same way on the side. So, that's one. Okay, so like that. And then that is the bird. And here is a tail. To just stick it on there and make sure it doesn't fall off like that. I made my bird colorful, but you can do it any color. Okay. And that. Fix the leg. Okay, and there is your bird. Like that, and just like that. And you can spread the wings out if you want. And there you go. Bye. Hope you can subscribe.